One of my favorite Ayurvedic tips for staying youthful and healthy involves water. Now, you may already drink 6 to 8 cups of water a day, but I have a special insight into that comes from this ancient health knowledge of Ayurveda, and that is temperature matters. Now, perhaps you're drinking the water room temperature. Well, that's much better than drinking it cold all the time, because cold suppresses digestion, and cold also impedes the flow or peristalsis through the digestive tract. So hot water, it turns out, is the most health-producing for improving digestion, clearing the skin, helping the elimination. It actually promotes good peristalsis, which is that movement through the digestive tract, getting rid of toxins. This tip involves a 6-week program of simply drinking boiled hot water frequently during the day. I say boiled because boiling it creates balance in the water. From the Ayurvedic point of view, water is just earth and water. But if you boil it, you get air, space, and fire elements. So you have a balance of all 5 elements. So boil the water for 5 minutes. It'll be more cleansing and balancing for your body. Then pour it into a thermos, and then you're going to drink just a little bit, about every half hour. That can be according to your taste or desire, but at least a few sips, up to even a half cup at a time. If you do that throughout the day, you'll find very quickly that you start to feel more energy. You feel that cravings are disappearing, that you feel more satisfied from what you eat, and you probably will start to lose a little weight naturally if you need to. If you don't need to lose weight and you need to gain, it'll help you absorb your food. In fact, I had a patient who I recommended this to, and I ran into her about a year later, and I saw her from behind. I didn't recognize her. I thought it was some young woman with some pigtails. She turned around, and I said, "Susan, you lost some weight." And she says, "Oh, a little." And I said, "No, a lot." And she said, 90 pounds. And she told me that the only recommendation she really felt she could implement in her life was the hot water. And that's what she had done. And it just snowballed into all sorts of good changes in her eating habits and her digestion. And she got rid of all the bad cravings. So here she was, 90 pounds lighter. So I wish you a very rejuvenating 6 weeks. So go get your hot water, boil it, put it in that thermos, and hopefully you'll see a lot of great benefits, and let me know how it goes.